Former IPL chairman Lalit Modi was found using at least 8 credit cards issued by foreign banks, but none of them were in his own name. 5 of these cards were found to be issued to family members of his brother-in-law Suresh Chelaram and 2 in the name of his stepdaughter Karima. When the Income Tax Department sought details of expenditure made from these cards for the period between April 2008 and March 2011, during which he was part of BCCI and IPL, Modi claimed that all expenditure was made towards booking air tickets and hotels for his friends who owned the credit cards. The recovery of credit card details was made during a search of Modi's premises and on examination of his mobile phone by income tax officials after he fled to London. According to a notice served by the IT department to Modi in July 2011, it has emerged that the former IPL chief had used 2 credit cards belonging to Kavita Chelaram, wife of Suresh Chelaram, who once owned majority shares in Rajasthan Royals IPL team, and 2 owned by his stepdaughter Karima, who is married to Gaurav Burman, the co-owner of Kings 11 Punjab. In his response to the IT notice posted by Modi on his website, he claimed none of the cards, as mentioned in the IT questionnaire, belong to the assessee Modi. He furnished the card owners' names. 3 belonged to Kavita Chelaram and were issued by the National Westminster Bank PLC UK and American Express Service Europe Limited. 2 cards belonged to stepdaughter Karima, again issued by the same 2 banks. 1 card each was in the name of Aditya Chelaram, Anisha Chelaram and Vijay Israni. No expenditure details were available. However, Modi has claimed these cards were used for upgrade of air travel tickets of friends and to make hotel bookings, etc. for the said credit card holders. Modi claimed that he received advantage points, discounted rates for room reservations in several hotels and therefore used to make reservations on behalf of the said NRI card holders. He, however, clarified that while he only made such reservations, payments were made by the persons in whose name such reservations were made through their credit cards.